Morning guys. Right, so we are now off to the Animal Kingdom for extra magic hours, which we've actually not done a lot of extra magic hours this time, so we're going to take advantage of it, go straight into Pandora, hit Flight of Passage, and do the river one. I forgot the name. It's still early, it's like 7:30 in the morning here. We went to bed really late last night. So we're going to do that and do as many rides as we can in Animal Kingdom. Then we're going to go to Hollywood Studios and see what we can do there. But then again, our plans always change, so take it with a pinch of salt. So, it's, I don't know what time, what's the time?
The time is 7:40.
The time is 7:40, and the park is looking very busy, and it's changing again. Like, this is all new, this bit here. What are they doing?
Do you know what they're doing?
What are they doing?
Changed all the entrances.
Oh, yeah, the entrance is changing. So our sources tell us. Right. So, plan is Pandora. And we're not going to divert from that plan, we're just going for it.
We'll be back to you in 5 minutes time where we tell you that we're in Dino Land.
Yeah, we're in Asia. Always get the wrong one at security. No matter how many times you try.
Good job. Everybody else good?
So we're now moving. So could you Nave Rivi? How do you pronounce it?
Navi River Journey.
Navi River.
You still can't do it.
Say it.
Navi River Journey.
That's the one we're doing. Shut up. Yeah, that queue. We'll come back to that one. Because the time that filters through, we'll be alright. Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, Jack, so let's do Flight of the Passage as the queue is like the longest I've ever seen a ride ever. Sometimes it just doesn't benefit you.
Party row 2, you may have another party of 2 joining in the boat.
No. So as I was saying, like I judge my rides like how I like them by the wait that I do. So to me, waiting that long for that ride is really good. But if I was to wait 90 minutes, then no, not worth it. So if you get a wait time like that,
Don't do it.
no, wait time like...
Oh, 90 minutes for me.
Yeah.
Well, Avatar is 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours for Avatar. And the park's only been open...
Look, this is the queue, show the guys the queue stuff.
Oh. So you saw Flight of Passage back there, guys. This is still Flight of Passage queue. That is crazy. Should we see how far back it goes?
Oh my god.
I don't think we guys showed you the other day, but here on Saturday, was it Saturday?
Oh my god.
Saturday here was like, you couldn't even move in this area. It took like forever to get through.
No, but that ain't even an exaggeration.
Yeah, wasn't good. That's the day I think we had off the camera, but today it's a lot more easier to move. Yeah, 35, it's not bad.
Oh, shit. Yeah,
a safari.
Looks like we already have the all clear to go ahead. If you were wanting to take any photos or videos, go ahead and have those cameras or phones ready to go. We are not able to stop for all the animals. The grayish looking one, that is a greater kudu. And then the rusty looking colored ones, those are bongos. The bongos have the nickname of the ghosts of the forest. They don't typically swim, they mostly just kind of bounce across the bottom of the water underground, on the ground.
Just his ears.
And then on the island, those birds were pink-backed pelicans. They get their name because they turn pink during mating season. And it's their skin, not their feathers, that turn that pink color.
It's a bit smelly.
In the very, very back, I know the giraffes are very interesting. In the back, that is a sable antelope. And then these are Maasai giraffes.
Hey, giraffe. How you doing?
Adorable.
You can tell that they are Maasai giraffe because their spots are a little messy. A reticulated giraffe would have very clean spots, very clean lines.
That one. One is just resting its head in the tree. Get him?
While we're passing by them and you see their tongues, if they look purple, that's perfectly okay. It's so they don't get sunburn on their tongues while they are eating. So they eat shrimp and brine that gives them a beta keratin that causes their pink color. I don't believe so, but they do start out when they're born as a grayish color. So the more that they do eat, the pinker they do become. Right now, you can tell by the wide mouth that it has. Its name originated from the word vite, which is Afrikaans for wide. It just sounded like white, so the name just kind of stuck around as a white rhino.
In a charge.
Yeah, they have more of a grayish color. It's that mud that gives them the brown color.
Where are you going? Hey, Mr. Rhino.
There's another one off in the distance on the right. Looks like they might be trying to group together.
Excuse me.
Rhinos have very poor eyesight, but so that gives their grouping a very fitting name as a crash. But they have really great hearing.
There's something up there in the tree.
Well, they both have horns. You can just tell if they're male or female because the horns might be a little slimmer for the females. Yes, they are. Yeah. So an ostrich egg, a full-grown human man can stand on one without it breaking. Yeah. Yep, they're in the area. There are a couple up here. They do watch them. There's some ostriches that will be up in front of us here in just a second. They're crossing the road now. This time it's not the chicken, it's the ostrich. Another cool thing about those eggs is that one single egg equals 2 dozen chicken eggs. As you can probably tell, ostriches are not flying birds. They're just a little bit too heavy for it. We're now going to go ahead and leave the savannah and head towards the Magadi Glen now.
Ciao.
Magadi Glen.
So we've just done safari.
Just so good.
We love it. We've done it once before, but it was really
That
good.
was better that time. I felt like we saw more animals.
Yeah, there was a lot more out, so it was good. And we learned a new word. What's it? Kwaharini.
Yeah.
Kwaharini, which means
Go well instead of
go
saying
well.
goodbye.
Let's go well. Saying goodbye is sad. That's going to be my new saying. Kwaharini. Kwaharini. Ah, look. It's a gorilla. Hello.
The one and only stop for the train. See animals or do the animation experience. Must exit the train at this stop.
We've never done this before, have we? It's all new experiences. So what's it supposed to be then?
It's like a petting zoo type thing, I think.
Oh really? That's cool.
I think you'll be petting any cheetahs though, Jack.
Oh,
I think we're talking sheep and goats.
I like sheep. I don't mind petting a sheep. I can smell something though.
Smells like a petting zoo.
A petting zoo, yeah. We come to a petting zoo. Take it slow.
You need a brush and stick.
Hello. Hello. You look cute. This is our favourite one.
Yes.
Yes?
Have lovely brushes for them.
We would love to brush the goat. This is our favourite. His name's Billy. Hi, Billy. No one wants to stroke Billy. We like you, Billy. Billy. Billy.
If you want to brush, then brush. If not, give it back.
But you're upsetting him, Bradley. Look what you've done. You've upset him now.
Billy, we're the only ones who went near you.
Come here. Come back, Billy.
Kind of see we've got those nice circles and ovals already started for you. You're welcome. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our top circle and we're going to draw in the letter V, going from the nice where the first line comes out down to the bottom of our circle, back up 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with that, we have drawn the one, the only, the evil, the floofy scar. Eventually, sign it, date it. Today's date is 11/11. 19. It's not as satisfying as 11/11/11, but that was a while ago. All right, everybody. It has been fun, but time is now up. Let me see. Hold them up. Let's see. Let me see all those lines. Let me see that pride. That evil, fluffy pride. I love it. They all look so wonderful. All right, everyone. I do have to go. As you leave, be sure to take all your belongings.
So we've finished our artwork. So this is Bradley's. Next. This is mine. Mine looks good. Right.
Beautiful hair.
Put them next to each other.
Beautiful chin.
Which one looks better?
Comment below.
Dum 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 dum. It's so Christmassy here.
I like that shot. So even the reefs are so pretty. Love that, babe. Mr. Disney, I'll take it all.
Yep. Just bag it all up and get right in my basket.
Candy floss was it?
Dum, dum, dum. I do think these are quite nice.
Very cute.
Just adorable.
What they got something in it?
Yeah, like biscuits. So we loved them so much, we had to get another Bugs and Grubs.
Yeah.
And I've got one as well. Coming, where are you? Give me my Bugs and Grubs. What do I want that for?
There you go.
Thank you. Cheers. Ta. How cool that is. It's so tasty. Right, where should we go? Or should we go and sit down for a little while? There was just some seats, now they've all been whipped up. Let's go this way. Let's go and enjoy. If you guys sort of want to get away from the crowds and that and just go somewhere a little bit more quieter, peaceful, come down to where they have the it's Rivers of Light, isn't it? Where they have the Rivers of Light show in the day. It's just dead down here. So there's no one here, so enjoy your ice cream. It's melting away. Just going to enjoy it before it melts. Yeah, good place to go. you want to chill. One thing I forgot to mention is that Bradley basically said he's going to go and get a drink.
No, I didn't.
Before we went to go and see, is it Pumbaa?
No.
Timon and Rafiki. He said, oh yeah, I'll be right back. And left me to have a picture all on my own. And it was so awkward. So thanks for that, Bradley.
You always want pictures on your own.
Yeah, but it's nice to like have someone else there with you. It's like 2 on 1. I am now scarred. But I will get my revenge. Just wait. Just wait. They're talking to each other. So the plan, guys, is to go to the Up show, which we've never done before, which were terrible. Free visits, and we're only now going to try and do the Up show.
The first time we came here.
I love the buses here, because the bus is always here for us, isn't it? Kuna Matata. So anyway, the plan. We went back to freshen up, all fresh. Wearing the same top as the other day, but that has been washed, I assure you. What are you wearing?
Did you not vlog the laundry facilities?
No. I'll vlog that next time. That's not very fun though, is it?
No.
Yes. Anyway, back to Animal Kingdom. And then we are off to Hollywood a bit later on. So we're at the Animal Kingdom again. You're not, it's deja vu. No, we're like I said, the days can be quite long, so it's quick, and it's really quick to go back here and back and forth, isn't it?
Yeah.
From All-Star, so literally 10 minutes. So that's really handy. It's definitely the closest park.
None of them are overly far.
No.
The Magic Kingdom's the furthest. Disney Springs.
Disney Springs is the furthest, which is probably the best one to be the furthest away. So let's go to our first fast pass. So through security, just on the park bit, but just before that we well, we're not too sure, but the picture, a nice picture at the front of the park, and the lady, she was really good, weren't she?
Yeah, really, really nice.
Her name's Marcy. She's a really nice photographer, so well done, Marcy, good job. She went above and beyond. This is looking beautiful. I love Everest. We've not done it enough really, I feel, this holiday, have we?
We went 3 times the other day.
Well, that's not enough. Suspense. We do mine probably. Probably the last time.
But I really enjoyed it that time. I really, really enjoyed it.
Yeah. Well, Everest, if it is the last time, it's been a pleasure. I don't know. Is this standby?
Yes.
Cool.
Where are you looking to go? Disneyland?
Right. It's not very well signposted, guys. Opposite the big dinosaur.
Yeah, I said dinosaur. So we have our rivers of lights. See? Sort of towards the middle. This is the middle, most middle of business now, so I'm looking forward to it. Are you? I'm so excited. Rivers of Light for about a year, have we? That was a lot better. They've redone it, so it's really good. Really enjoyed it. Also, the camera's probably going to die, so it's going to be lack of footage tonight again. Oh well. Like I said, this is our first venture out with the camera, so hopefully next year will be better for us.
This is the storm. This is
right way. It's this way.
The Mariners. This is not you. And this is Seahawks. This is. Run back, run forward. Run back.
Do you mind me?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
I know, this is pretty great.
Doug, don't eat that. Doug, don't eat that. That's not yours. That'll give you a belly ache. Is there anything in your bowl? No? Do you guys have any snacks for Doug?
Yeah, I know.
If you do, he has a perfect bowl for it.
Okay.
Your cheek is wet. Other one. Wipe it. Alrighty. You're so funny.